How to create an Airbnb account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Airbnb sign up. Now you need to head over to the very first site, log in or sign up. Once you're in this page, you will be able to sign up for your account. From here, you can choose any of the specific account. Let me click on Continue with Google. Now select the specific Google account that you want to create an account with, and then tap on Continue. Now you will need to enter some of your detailed information. Enter the date of birth. Once done, click on Agree and Continue at the bottom. And there you go, your Airbnb account has been created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.